I'm driving up the Outeniqua Pass for the start of the hike to Losberg, known as one of the 6 peaks of George. These are 6 of the most prominent peaks in the Outeniqua Mountains that you find near the town of George. I joined up with some guys from the Conquer Together hiking club, which made it so much fun. We had a few gullies to traverse to reach the peak. That means for every downhill that you do, there's also the dreaded uphill. We encountered some interesting plants like this carnivorous Drosera. We've seen some cool wildlife, like birds, butterflies, snails, and spiders, like these bark spiders.
And not so easy.
The final ascent lay ahead of us.
What a beautiful hike this is, man. Let's have a look. Although I must say, the uphills are not the easiest, but the views make up for it. It's stunning. And finally, we've made it. Look at the amazing view. The people that were ahead of me, much fitter than me, of course, but what a stunning place. Well worth it. Made it to the top. What a beautiful walk it was.
I don't know what it is about me going barefoot that makes everybody else want to do it too.
Well done.
I love it though.
Well done for the bare feet.
Okay, but if they're smelly, they need to go back in the shoe. Who's going to be the sniff tester?
The best candidate.
Alright.
The views from the top were just spectacular, and I could stay there the whole day. But unfortunately, we did have to go back to avoid the heat. At least we had time to smell the wild array of flowers. Why does the way back always seem so much longer? We had one last view of Losberg before we left the Outeniqua mountains. One down, 5 more peaks to go. I just can't wait. Don't forget to do it with Conquer Together Hiking Club.